Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oppo Reno 7 Lite, and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find password and security. Now let's tap on fingerprint and tap on continue. It is because if you do not have the screen lock currently set, sorry. So for example, pattern pin or password, then you will have to do it right now, because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device. So let's tap on continue. Right here you've got the password type, so we've got the numeric, pattern or alphanumeric. So I will pick the pattern. Now let's draw it and redraw it. Here tap on OK. It is just an information that if you're using the screen protectant, then it may affect the screen, the fingerprint sensor as it is set in the screen. So now all we have to do is to simply put our finger on the sensor, and now just do it multiple times in order to add the fingerprint fully. So try to catch every corner for better recognition. Alright, almost there. As you can see, we just successfully added our fingerprint to it. We can add another or just tap on done. I don't want to enroll my face. So here we've been transferred to the fingerprint settings. This is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it just by tapping on the three dots icon. We can add new one, of course. Here the screen lock option is defaultly active. Of course you can turn it off, but also you can use the fingerprint for app lock or private save. Here you've got also the quick launch, the fingerprint animation, or you can decide if you want to show the fingerprint on the locked screen. So let me lock the device and let's check if it is working. So we are waiting for the sensor. As you can see, the icon is here. So just put, of course it it disappeared. Just let me put my finger on the sensor, and as you can see, the phone is unlocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. So actually this is it. This is how to add the fingerprint in your Oppo Reno 7 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.